Here's how you can make
Mac and cheese.
bites from Loud House. It's super simple. All you need to do is make mac and cheese however you want and then freeze the leftovers so everything solidifies. Grab a chunk and form it into a ball. I'm using extra cheese to hold everything together and then dip it into flour, eggs, and panko breadcrumbs. Squeeze everything well so it doesn't crack and fall apart. Lastly, just deep fry at 350 until it's golden brown. You can possibly also air fry it, but that's pretty much it. Okay, now to be honest, I've never watched Loud House before, but just based on this recipe and dish alone, I will definitely choose this over Craig of the Creek. Like, the kids in Loud House, they know what good food is. This is way better than those mozzarella sticks from Craig of the Creek. It's just fried macaroni and cheese. And this one has some extra ground beef pieces on the inside. You just can't go wrong with this. I think there needs to be some sort of crossover between Loud House and Craig of the Creek because Loud House definitely needs to show them how to cook. This is way better than anything Craig or his friends made. I'm giving this a 8.5 out of 10.